Right then, let's have a look at part C of question 1. Part 1, show that C has coordinates 3, minus 4. C is the point of intersection between two lines. The line's L1, which we had in the previous question, and this line L2, which has that equation there, 6x plus 7y plus 10 equals 0. So just the point of intersection of two lines then. So we've got our previous line, and we've got this line here. So here, let's write them out then. X minus 2y minus 11 equals 0. That's equation 1. And then we've got the other one. We've got 6x plus 7y plus 10 equals 0. That's number 2. Now, what's the easiest thing to do here? Well, these are opposite signs. So because they are, I'm just going to add them together. So 7 of these and 2 of those will make that disappear. So 7 lots of 1 plus 2 lots of equation 2 gives. So 7 of these plus 2 of these, we can work out, and it'll equal 0, because 7 of these and 2 of these is 0. And these will cancel then, won't they? So 7 of these is 7x plus 2 of these is 12. 7 plus 12 is 19x. 7 of these is minus 14 plus 2 of these, which is plus 14y's. They cancel, that's why we're doing it. 7 of these is minus 77. 2 of these is 20. Minus 77 plus 20 is minus 57. And that should look good to you, because you know that 19 goes into 57 then. So 19x, move the 57 over to be with the 0. 7 of these and 2 of those will still give 0. Okay, so that's what we've got here, just to double check that. So move the 57 over, you get that. And then divide by 19, you can see that 57 over 19 is 3. There we go. So C has the point 3 at x equals 3 then. What do we get? X is equal to, no, undo. It's y we want, so use this one. By 1. The 2y I'm going to move over here, so I'm going to write it as 2y straight away, and it's going to be x minus 11. So the x value is 3 minus 11, which equals minus 8, and that implies divide by 2. 2y equals minus 8 then. So y, move the 2 from times to divide, or divide by 2 both sides, same difference. So minus 8 over 2 is minus 4. So C has coordinates 3 minus 4, which is what we wanted to show in part 1. So now part 2, which I'll write out for you because we've got all 3 parts to do here. Second part of the question, let's just have a look at it. Find the length of BC. Okay, the length of BC, we've got the coordinate C, and the coordinate B is 9 minus 1, so let's write that in. So B has coordinates 9 minus 1. C has coordinates 3 minus 4, which we've just worked out. So length BC equals, just do Pythag on the triangle. The horizontal distance between the 2 points is the difference between the x values, which is a 3 and a 9, or a 9 and a 3, which is a distance of 6. 6 squared is 36. And then we've got the difference between the y's vertically in the triangle, between the 2 coordinates. Minus 1 to minus 4 is a distance of 3, a difference of 3, so 3 squared is 9. So that's equal to the square root of 45, which is 9 times 5, isn't it? Which is 3 root 5, when you bring the 9 out and square root it. Okay, 9 times 5, square root of 9 times the square root of 5, and the square root of 9 is 3. So you can just write that down straight away. That's part 2. So let's go to part 3 now. And let's just go down and get, there's 4 parts to this question. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of BC. So midpoint of BC then, let's have a look at that one. Of B and C. So we add the x coordinates and divide by 2, don't we? 9 plus 3 is 12, divide by 2 is 6, and minus 1 and minus 4 added together gives minus 5. Divide by 2 is minus 5 over 2. There we go. And then that was number 3. Now number 4. Put that here. Give myself a bit more room. Part 4 then. Write down the equation of the line AC. A has coordinates 3, 11. Equation of AC, where A has coordinates, remember, 3, 11. We know what C is, so let's just put that down. 3 minus 4. So gradient first then. Let's just work that out here. Is equal to, well, it will be the increase in y. It goes, AC goes from it goes upwards. This is lower than this. Oh, they both have the same x coordinate, 3 and 3. So basically we're going to get 0. But the y increase, if we went from A to C, is minus a drop of minus 15, isn't it? So it goes from 11 above to 4 below. But the only thing is we got 0 underneath, because 3 minus 3 is 0. So we cannot do that. So here, because there's no increase in x but an increase in y, we see that the line is infinite. So it's a vertical line. The gradient of the line so we just have a vertical line at the x value, don't we? So the equation is x, what value of x have we got? X equals 3, and that will just that characterizes the straight line vertical at 3 with the x value 3. Okay then, that's the answer for part 4. Good.